Hey reseller besties, it's Stephanie and I'm back with another What Sold. I got the packages all set up, so let's get into what some of the sales that have not gone out from Saturday and Sunday of this weekend. If you're new here, I am a full-time reseller and I sell items on eBay, Poshmark, Depop, and Mercari. If you're interested in learning how to flip things for cash, make sure you hit all of my buttons, watch to the end, and follow, or we may never meet again. First up on Poshmark, I sold this Under Armour extra large long sleeve tee. It had been listed 246 days and it sold for $10. Next up on Poshmark was these flog-like textured corduroy pull-on pants. They were also a bins pickup. They have been listed 271 days, and they sold for $15 on Poshmark. Then I am getting into dishware home accessories. In addition to clothing. So I've just started out. So this is one of my first piece to ever sell in that category that I purchased to flip. So here is the brand. So I'm even learning brands. I know this is a pretty good brand and it's part of a collection. It's microwave safe and oven safe, and it's from part of the 1998 holiday collection, and it is an oval serving dish. I picked this up at a local Goodwill for $2.99. It sold in 70 days for $24. So super excited. Now we have to make sure we package it up correctly and it gets there safely. So fingers crossed on that. And next up, we have these Banana Republic trousers, the 718 Martin fit. These are a size 4. I do try to avoid sizes under size 6. But these were a bins pickup. They've been listed 649 days. They sold on Poshmark for $11. Then also a Poshmark sale was this Gap wool sweater. So I avoid Gap except for certain statement pieces like their trench coats and their sweaters that are made of wool, alpaca, something like that. This is a bins pickup. It was in great condition, size large V-neck sweater. It sold for $11 on Poshmark, and it had been listed 164 days. Another pair of Banana Republic pants. These are a men's corduroy pant, and they had been listed for 143 days. They sold on Poshmark for $17. Now this I really thought would sell quicker, probably because I loved it. Taught school for 23 years, and this is a classic fall teacher dress if you ask me. It had been listed 454 days, and it finally sold on Poshmark for $20. Next up is this linen button down. It is 100% linen, size large. It sold on eBay for after 327 days. It sold for 2017. And then we had these Hollister low-rise. These are the high-rise jean jegging. As we know, that style is out the door, but one of my daughter's friends had given them to me, so free to me. They were listed to 297 days and sold for $18.05 on eBay. Then I had this Royce Christmas sweater, and it was about to be pulled and relisted. I relist all of my holiday things like around fall break because people start looking for that. So this sold before I got to it, so they got a steal of a deal. It was listed 478 days, and it sold for $14.28 on eBay. And then we have these Liverpool New Tag crop dark wash denim jeans. They sold on eBay in only 80 days for $29.19. And finally, I have this World Market cowl neck knit poncho. Ponchos are in this season, friends, so be looking for those at the thrift. This sold on Depop and for $20, and after the fees I made $16.53. This one was listed 478 days. So we're excited to send that off to a new home. So those are some of the sales that we're sending out today from this weekend. Let me know how your weekend is going, and if you want reselling tips and tricks, which of course you do, you know what to do, and I will see you in the next one.